Hello all. So this is part 3. Part 1 and 2 have been made and they have been uploaded there. So from now I will be starting from question number 55. So let's begin. Okay, let's begin. Which of the following two states have highest per capita income in India? Punjab, no. Punjab and Kerala, no. Kerala and Goa, no. At neither Haryana and Punjab. The answer is Goa and Haryana. Okay, the answer is Goa and Haryana. Next question. Question number 56. Insolation percentage received on pole as compared to equator is approximately, that the answer should be 68%. Okay, the answer is 68%. According to Census of India, main worker is a person who works for at least. So main worker is a person who will work at least 6 months. Okay, at least 6 months of a year. That will be main worker. So the answer should be 6 month 365 divided by 2. It will be around 180. So the answer should be more than 183 days in a year. Okay, this is the answer. 58. Which of the following state have different female migration factors? Okay, in general we have migration is that a female will be moving to a male. Okay, a female will be moving to male. But in case of a state, which is actually, I'll tell you the answer here, male move to female home. The answer is Meghalaya. In Meghalaya, what happens is that male move to female home to reside. Okay, so let's move to next question. Question number 59. Which of the following country is the top producer of which of the following country is top producer of cereals in the world? Cereals. Okay, for cereals, the for cereal production, US is the first large, like the first country. Okay, it is the topmost producer. After US comes China, and after that India, and then Russia. US, then China, then India, and then Russia. Okay, so this is the sequence. So let's move to the 60th question. Next question. The National Commission on Agriculture 1976 has classified spatial forestry into how many categories? Okay, so it has classified the forestry into five different parts. Okay, five different parts. Let's move to next set question. Which of the which one of the following union territory is largest in the area? Okay, the answer is simple, Daman and Diu. Okay, the Daman and Diu is the largest in area. Okay, next question, 62. Global climates are classified on the basis of annual averages of seasonal temperature and precipitation. On temperature and precipitation, they are measured and they are done on average annual averages. Okay. Next question. Question number 63. Which one of the following countries has highest consumption of food in terms of kilocalorie per person? Okay, US is a country where highest consumption of food happens. Okay, US is the country where highest consumption of food happens. Next question, question number 64. Which one of the following ecosystem has highest productivity net private productivity? The answer should be mid latitude grassland. Okay, next question, question number 65. Which of the following Indian state does not have a mangrove forest? In all the four states, only one state, that is Telangana. I think Telangana is the one which is landlocked. Okay, landlocked. There is nothing. There is no sea. There are only lands nearby. So if the lands are there, how will the mangrove forest will grow? So the answer should be Telangana. Okay. Which of the following pair of founder newspaper is not correctly matched? Al Hilal, Abdul Kalam Azad. Yeah, Al Hilal was started by Abdul Kalam Azad. Okay, next is Bombay Samachar. Bombay Samachar was started by Farduni Marjban. Then the third B option is Kesari. It was started by Bal Gangadhar Tilak. So all the three options are correct. Bande Mataram. I don't think there is any newspaper named Bande Mataram. Though Bande Mataram was a slogan given by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, but there is no newspaper like Bande Mataram. Okay, the answer should be Bande Mataram. Okay, next one. Which one of the following is not feature of Criminal Tribe Act of 1871? Around in 1871, there was a particular phenomenon that happened. Is that a particular tribe, after some time, after it was known as criminal tribe, was busy in were doing crime activities. Actually, they were they were forced to do it because they had to pay a lot more taxes and the economical condition wasn't that much good. Okay, so the answer should be communities. This question, the communities of craftsmen and traders pastoralists. So, okay, not featured. The answer is not for question is not featured. Okay, communities of craftsmen traded pastoralists were classified as criminal tribes. Okay, so in criminal tribe, what happened is that they were not allowed to move. Okay, without a permit. Okay, and they were expected to live in a particular settlement. Okay, and the tribe was declared criminal on the basis of their profession. Okay, question number 68. Next question, question number 68. In 1797, under clause of which of the following settlement Raja of Burdwan's estate was auctioned when he failed to pay the revenue to the Indian to East India Company? The answer is permanent. Okay, permanent settlement. Question number 69. Which one of the following group of movement, revolt, rebellion, riot is in the chronological order? Okay, so let me tell you. Coal rebellion was happened in 1829 to around 1839. Tebhaga Tebhaga movement happened in 1946 to 1947. Okay, Deccan Riot happened in around 1875. Kuka revolt happened in 1870 to 1879. Santhal uprising happening in 1855. The answer should be B. Coal rebellion, Santhal uprising, and then Deccan Riot. Okay, in the Deccan Riot. Next question, question number 70. Which one of the following statement is not correct about Khilafat movement? Okay, Khilafat movement was led by Muhammad Ali and Shaukat Ali. So this is correct. Okay, this is correct. Means it is asked but not correct. Okay, they are asking not correct. It demanded Turkish Sultan must. Yeah, it actually Khilafat movement started after Khalifa of Turkey. They lost World War One. Okay, so to help them or to acknowledge their contribution, Khilafat movement was started. Okay, so it actually demanded Turkish Sultan must retain the control over Muslim sacred places. Okay, this is also correct. Khalifa must be left with sufficient territory to enable him to defend the Islamic faith. Yeah, true. This is also true. Okay, so these three are the true options. The Congress did not support the movement. Actually, Congress supported Khilafat movement. Okay, Congress supported Khilafat movement. So this is not the correct option. So this is the right answer. Okay, this is the right answer for the question number 78. Okay, in 1771, actually 71, which one of the following group was known as non-changers, opposing the Congress party entry into legislative council following the withdrawal of non-cooperation movement? Okay, so what happened is that after Khilafat movement happened and they had to stop the Khilafat movement. After that time, there was some kind of conflict in Congress party. Okay, Congress party was the only party at that time, and in the Congress party there was division only that happened, and there was two groups actually, and one of the group was no changes. Okay, which consists of people like Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, and Dr. M.E. Ansari. Okay, next question, question number 72. In which one of the following year did Indian National Congress include its goal of independence of princely state? The answer should be 1938. Okay. The life-size terracotta image of Ganga Yamuna dating to the period of 300 to 600 AD have been found at Achi Achi Achitra, Uttar Pradesh. Yeah, this is correct answer. Which one of the following pair is not correctly matched? Okay, the answer should be D. Anglo Mohammedan Defense Association, Nawab Muhin ul Mulk. Okay, this is not the correct match. Which one of the following gave the reserved seat for depressed class in provincial and central legislative council that were to be voted in general electorate? The answer is Pune Pact. Jahangir got impressed by Turkish fluency of which of the following European traveller and made him Matador 400 Savars. The answer is William Hawkins. Which of the following statement is correct? Shantidas was leading jeweler. Yeah, this is correct. Shah Jahan granted land to build pohals to Shantidas. This is also correct. In 1656, Murad Baksh granted village of Palitana to Shantidas for the use of Jain pilgrimage. The grant was later confirmed by Aurangzeb in 1660. This is also correct. The answer should be 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Next question. Which of the following Sufi saint of Qadariya order was condemned by Aurangzeb for discussion of Wal Wahadat ul Wujud by his father Shah Jahan and elder brother Dara Shikoh? The answer is Mullah Shah. Next question, question number 79. The musical treatise of Sangeet Shiromani was dedicated to which of one of the following ruler? The answer is Ibrahim Shah Sharki of Jaunpur. Okay, next question, question number 80. Chronological arrange the following Sanskrit text. The answer should be 3. C, sorry. The first came Ashtadyai of Parani, then came Sushru Samhita, after that came Natasya Shastra of Bharat, and then the last one came Bhirata Samhita of Paramir. So this was the 80th question. I will again come up in the part 4 the remaining question, and then that will be the last one to complete the series for general section of geoscientist. Thank you.